What is up, guys? You're here with Kick-Ass, and so today I'm with the guest star. Over here is my pal XM Jericho. Give him a round of applause. Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? I dropped it. What's going on, everyone? My name is XM Jericho. If you guys aren't sure who I am, go check out my channel. I'm actually, if you want to know about my channel, I'm doing a vlog every day. I've only took 2 days off, and that was because it's problems. Don't have time to explain them. I do, but I'm not going to explain them. It's really boring. And Josh, help me take over, please. Here's Josh's spirit flute.
That's all I know. I suck at flutes. So yeah, just to get a closer look, if you didn't see my videos, check them out.
This is one on your channel too.
There's gonna be more videos. I might teach you how to play when I learn how to play, but yeah. So we're gonna be talking about the Fan Expo today, and so we went there, and it was so much fun. I mean, it was so much fun. We just didn't want to leave. We didn't really hate it. It was so much fun. I can't believe how much fun it was.
Best summer day I've had so far.
Yeah, really though. And we met so many guest stars. We didn't really meet them, but we saw them. It was so cool. But the people we did see were Chum Lee off of Pawn Stars, if you've seen that show. Then we've seen David Hasselhoff. He was so cool. Yeah.
Oh, I parked my Batmobile there and I never got it back. Never.
No, they towed his Batmobile. Like, what the heck? Yeah, so check out his video, the Fan Expo. This is the sword that I bought there. It's a Boken. Check out my videos.
You can't trust me with this, even though it's wooden.
So yeah.
Next year, me and Josh will probably be getting more because low battery.
Oh shit! Look at that.
Me and Josh shall be getting more next year. We actually didn't know what the price range would be. It wasn't that expensive, but I brought too little.
So yeah, so we really recommend you go. And if you do go, make sure you have some money, because there's a lot of cool souvenirs there.
Next year, try to find us.
Yeah, try to find us. I'll be dressing as I might be dressing up as Assassin's Creed again. I don't know.
Oh, there's a Toronto Comic Con next year, too. Like
yeah, I know.
Next March.
Yeah, I know.
We'll head to that.
We're going to the next one, so check us up. Post pictures of the costumes you might bring. And yeah, we'll do a shout out to your videos or whatever you want to do. And yeah, so
everybody have a good day. Check out my channel. Keep watching his channel. Subscribe to both of us. Everybody have a good night.
Yeah,
Woo!
see you guys.